Hi. So, a while ago I made a channel called Scratch Hub. And first I made tutorials. Then I started making these Scratch Update info dump kind of videos, where I would talk about some new Scratch update or something that happened to me on Scratch. I now wanted to kind of tone back to the tutorials, but I also wanted to stay in the info dump kind of videos. So this is Scratch Hub Extras. So basically I will make Scratch Hub into where I post all my tutorials, and I will make Scratch Hub Extras where I will post like the new Scratch updates and that sort of stuff. I have some crazy plans for this channel, so subscribe so you can stay tuned until the next video. Peace!